Anyway, welcome back to the channel. Like Chrome Adventures here. We got an Fba Toolkit today. So we have an important video for you guys, and I hope you find value in this because I'm gonna give you what you need to have to be successful on Amazon. And this we're gonna start with a software that you need to have that I call Helium 10. Helium 10 is a software that is gonna help you to do your product research, to find the product that you want to sell and the product that's gonna make you all the money that you guys want and need, and it's gonna buy you all the free time, and we're gonna be owner of our time. So product research, then it's gonna help us with the keyword research, it's gonna help us with the listing creation too, it's gonna help us to monitor our profit, to help us with the PPC monitor. So PPC again is the pay-per-click advertising for Amazon, very important. And also it has alerts. Alerts is another part of Helium 10 that it helps you to, and it lets you know when something happened on your listing. That is extremely important too. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of a Helium 10, and this is Helium 10 platform. If you want to discover more this tool, click on the link below where Ecom Adventures have discounts for you guys, and you can get these prices here. So you get 50% off on your first month for the platinum pack, and at the end this is what you need the platinum pack because this is the stuff that you need to have. Let's go for it. So it's gonna help you with the product research, find your first winning product today with our product research tool. I fully recommend Helium 10. I use it myself. Keyword research, extremely important to know all the keywords for your listing and the search terms when you have your product, how people are gonna look in Amazon for your product, what they're gonna type on the Amazon search bar. So you need that. Also you need to listing optimization. So you're gonna create your listing and you need to have your listing good and ready, and this is going to help you, and then obviously to maintain your product. So definitely Helium 10, click on the link on the description and get this tool because it's going to help you to succeed. Now let's go back. We have Alibaba. Obviously you need to get the products from someone, and the easiest way is Alibaba. You create an account with your business email, and you start looking for suppliers. So in here I have Alibaba, and here you'll have all thousands of factories with their products. So you can type anything and it counts, and you start negotiating with your price with your suppliers. Very important when you set up the Alibaba account, set up with your business email, so it's professional. Fill up all the profile on Alibaba so it looks professional, so the suppliers, they take you seriously. Now another thing that you need to have on your toolkit is the Fba Rate Card. And why you need the Fba Rate Card? Because it's important to have the rate card to calculate your fees. What are the fees that Amazon is going to charge you, to determine your margin, to determine your profit. So I'm going to show you quickly. This is it, and this is, let's say you are selling in the UK, so the first column here, this is the prices. So depending on the dimensions, here is what they're going to charge you, right? So it's very important for you to calculate what's going to be your profit, because what you're going to have, you're going to have Amazon fees, you're going to have what's costing you the product plus all the shipping, and then you need to have money for yourself, obviously. So you need to know how much Amazon is going to charge you. You have these ones, that is the fulfillment fees. The fulfillment fees are the fees that you paying for Amazon to pack the product, pick it from the warehouse and send it to the customer. All that I call fulfillment by Amazon are the Fba fees, and it depends on the product, depends on the dimensions, and depends on the weight. So let's say you have a box, shoe box, and that weighs 900 grams, and if you are in these dimensions, so this is what they're going to charge you. £2.99. Obviously the rate card for each country is different, for the US is different, but it's important to have it downloaded into your desktop so you can keep a look and you don't have surprises later. Okay, this is the FBA fees. Another fees that you have is the referral fees. The referral fees are more or less around 15% of the value that you sell in the product on the Amazon website, and the percentage that they charge you for your referral fee is depending on the category, but for you to get an indication is 15%. Okay, quick calculations for you to know. This is the way it works. So if Amazon is going to charge you 33% more or less of what do you sell your product between all the fees. So if you buy a product for a third of the price that you're selling, then Amazon charge you another third of the price, and the other third that is left is your profit. That will be a very quick calculation. Okay, 1/3 for Amazon, 1/3 for the cost of the product plus the shipping, and the other third is for you. Okay, very simple calculation. Now let's go back, and what we go sign up for Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. These ones are websites where freelancers, where they offer in their service. That could be photography, it could be packaging design, it could be social media, a manager, content creation, and I'm gonna show you really quick. I use it all the time. So this is Fiverr. So let's say you go and you want to put Amazon product photography. There you go, it's here, and here is gonna come out all freelancers that they can take your product photographies, and depending in the country that you live, you will go on the filters and you will choose a person who is close to you, because you'll have to post your the product to them, and they will take their photos for you. And they know exactly what you're looking for, professional pictures with infographics, and etc. Make sure you get someone who, of all this, someone who has good reviews, 5-star reviews. This one, let's say 5-star reviews out of 105. Or this one, this lady here, 5-star reviews, more than 1,000 reviews. So they're professional, and this platform works really well. I use it a lot for product images that'll help you. And also you have Upwork, that is very similar to Fiverr, and Freelancer, that is very similar to Fiverr. I just show you Fiverr quick so you guys have an idea what it is. And then you have GS1. GS1, it's a website to create your barcodes for your products. So you need a subscription in order to get barcodes. The barcodes are essential to do FBA private label. Yeah, you want to make sure that your barcodes are legitimate. That's why you need a subscription, so the barcodes, they belong to you. So Amazon doesn't block your product. Yeah, I'm the type of person who likes to do everything correctly, so your business lasts. Okay, so business created correctly with the right fundamentals, so it lasts long time and it can escalate for success. Okay, GS1, I'm gonna show you really quickly. It's here, GS1. So standard service, barcodes, and here it's gonna explain you a little bit what the barcodes are. So the barcodes are the barcodes you need to sell on eBay, to sell on Amazon, and it's this. The GS1 GTIN is a global unique identification number that is going to identify your product. Okay, so Amazon and you are going to have the proof that that product belongs to you, because you're going to have these barcodes, and those barcodes, they are attached to the product. Okay, so take a look at this website, GS1, and do the things correctly. Get your subscription and get your barcodes. Let's carry on. And last to finish, we have diary. Diary, extremely important for you guys. Diary, you can do a diary, a paper diary, or you can do a to-do list or an online diary. And this is very important to manage your time correctly. to be efficient, to be productive, and you can imagine the things that you can achieve if you manage your time correctly. So what I have to do today, you write it down, you do it, things that you couldn't finish do it, you put it for the next day. The next day you have your list, so you wake up in the morning or when time comes to work, you have it written there, so you're not wasting time. What I have to do today, this, that. Yeah, it's amazing how much it works. I use it all the time. I always, to my students, I recommend it to use it. And a diary, it makes your life much easier. It makes you be much more efficient and productive. So get a diary, get a to-do list, and start getting things done. So you go product research. I'm gonna look for, I don't know, baby products. So you start looking. Tomorrow, I'm gonna look for photography products, and so on. But write it down. So if you write it down, things are gonna get done. If you don't write it down, you're gonna forget and you're not gonna get it done. So please get this toolkit for you guys here, Fba Toolkit, Helium 10, extremely important. Click the link on the description. Get yourself signed up on Alibaba. Get your Fba Rate Card there. Sign up for Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. Get your barcodes and get a diary. Okay, guys? So, anyway, it was a pleasure, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.